The PUCKIPUPPY Husky Plus electric tricycle combines a very sturdy aluminum frame with a low, wide stance and fat tires, which makes it feel remarkably stable and confidence-inspiring even for less experienced riders. With its dual removable 48-volt batteries and efficient motor system, this trike can realistically cover very long distances on a single set of charges, making it a strong option for extended errands or daily commuting. The mid-mounted rear motor, driving both back wheels through a differential, gives this tricycle unusually sure-footed traction and smoother cornering on loose surfaces like sand or gravel compared with many other electric trikes. Riders can choose between throttle and pedal assist, and the 7-speed drivetrain lets you fine-tune effort on hills, so it works well both as a mobility aid and as a way to get some gentle exercise. Comfort touches such as the front suspension, supportive seat with backrest, and shock-absorbing seat post work together with the wide tires to take the sting out of rough pavement and light off-road paths. The generous rear cargo basket, bright integrated lights, clear display, and included accessories like mirrors, helmet, and phone and cup holders make the Husky Plus feel like a thoughtfully complete transportation solution right out of the box.